Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of JoJo Collects. So today we are opening a Journey Together 3-pack. I'm excited for this one, and this video is going to be a little weird because I am uploading this out of order. I do have a backlog of videos that I still need to upload, but because this set just came out, I wanted to hop in on this and get these videos out first. So don't be surprised if videos after this the background changes because I've added ETBs over the videos. So yeah, just a little disclaimer. Chase cards is Articuno and the trainer cards, but Articuno is the #1 chase card in this set because I want to add him into my 151 challenge binder where I find the best cards, in my opinion, of each original 151 Pokemon. And that card from this set is just awesome. So I hope we pull that in these packs and the ETBs. So let's not delay any further and let's get this pack open. I love that promo. It's crafty. Okay. Here's N. All right, let's do it. All right, let's check out this promo. Awesome. Yeah, so I got pretty lucky with these with this pickup. I don't know when I'm gonna find this in a wild again, so I feel like I should have bought more. But hey, I'm not. This isn't really a set that I'm super thrilled with. I'm not going crazy trying to buy every pack I get of this. I just want the Articuno. At the end of the day, if I don't pull it, then I'm probably just gonna buy it as a single. I just hope it's not really expensive like everything else has been. So let's see if we get lucky. We got 3 packs. Let's do this. Oh, nice. Yano's Belly Pult EX. Awesome. Not Articuno, but we will take it. All right. Let's go Yano next. Ooh, we got a trainer card. 2 trainer cards. Lily's Cutie Fly, Aerodon's Kilowattrel. Nice. Alright, last pack. Let's do it. Come on, Hop. Oh, dang. All right, not the best pulls, but hey, it's just the start of this. We got a lot more of this to open, hopefully. So, yeah, those are our pulls today. Next up, I don't know, we got some more Journey Together open up, so hopefully we'll do more of that. Well, thank you guys again for watching. Like and subscribe as always, and I'll see you in the next video.